In this video, we're gonna see how you can set up the Tutor account. So to become a tutor, first go to become a tutor. From here, enter your details like email, first name, last name, address, and all other details. So we shall fill this. First name, address, country, town. So after filling all the details, phone number, uh, you need to enter the country code as well along with the phone number, like something like this 91. Select gender, speaks the language you speak as a tutor, and in the language you are explaining to the students or conducting the sessions with student. So here I will select English and Hindi. The next is if you have intro video, then you can upload this intro video. Then admin will review the video and upload it on YouTube. Or else if you already have uploaded your intro video on YouTube, you can put the URL here. So I will select any random video from YouTube and put the URL just to show you how it will be displayed on the Tutor page. I will select this, I will copy the URL and I will paste it here. Teaching platforms, the platforms which you are comfortable with. You can select multiple teaching platforms. So the platforms on which you want to take session with students. So I will select here Skype and Zoom. If you want to show your mobile number on profile, yes or no. So I will select yes. And if you don't want to display your mobile number, then you can select it as no. Next is to set the password. I will set the password. So after filling the form, just click on register. Okay, so now the registration is completed, and I have got a message that you have successfully submitted your tutor account request. Your tutor application is still under review. You will receive details about our decision in your email very soon. So now the admin will review our Twitter account. So if everything goes fine, he will approve the account. So once the account is approved, we will get an email regarding the further steps. So uh, let's see what's the next step.